Namaskar. Welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department. If we see the monsoon activity during past 24 hours, then the monsoon was vigorous over the East Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh. Monsoon was active over Uttarakhand, West Uttar Pradesh, Gangetic, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and South Interior Karnataka and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. However, in the other parts of the country, the monsoon was weak. Yesterday, the extremely heavy rainfall was reported over West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan, and very heavy rainfall was reported over the West Uttar Pradesh and East Madhya Pradesh. However, the heavy rainfall was also reported over parts of East India, over parts of Northwest India, Northeast India, Assam, Madhya Maharashtra, and Andaman Nicobar Island. Here are the some stations are giving where the rainfall is reported more than 8 centimeter. If we see the today's main synoptic figure, then today we have a one well marked low pressure area over the northwest Madhya Pradesh, and the monsoon trough is passing through the central parts of the West Rajasthan. Then well marked low pressure area over northwest Madhya Pradesh. Then eastwards it goes up to the Arunachal Pradesh. There is a western disturbance which lies over the Afghanistan, and a cyclonic circulation lies over the North Bay of Bengal. In the right hand side, this is the satellite picture of the cloud convection over the Indian region. So as we can see that there is a intense to very intense convection over parts of northwest Madhya Pradesh and adjoining East Rajasthan, and there is a moderate convection over parts of East India. If we see the weather forecast and weather warning for the during next 24 hours, then because of this well marked low pressure area over northwest Madhya Pradesh, there will be the widespread rainfall over the West Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan during next 24 hours, and there will be heavy to very heavy rainfall over the district of East Rajasthan like the Bharatpur, Dholpur, Alwar, Jaipur, Dausa, Savai Madhopur, Tok, Bundi, Kota, Jhalawada, Pratapgarh, Chittorgarh, Rajasmand, and up to the Udaipur, and extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places is also expected over these districts during next 24 hours. And along with this, these districts of the East Rajasthan, heavy to very heavy rainfall and extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places is also very likely over some districts of the West Madhya Pradesh like Nimauj, Mandsaur, Ratlam, Ujjain, Jhabua, Alirajpur, Dhar, Bharwani, Indore, Khargone, Khandwa, Dewas, Shahjahanpur, etc. And along with this, very heavy rainfall at one or two places is also very likely over adjoining parts of the Uttar Pradesh, particularly over the Jhansi and Lalitpur region. And along with this, there will be the isolated heavy rainfall over some parts of the northwest India and some parts of East India, which is given in the yellow color. And there will be the strong wind along the Maharashtra coast and Gujarat coast during next 24 hours. So fishermen are advised not to venture into those areas. If we look into the weather warning for the next 5 days, since this well-marked low pressure area over northwest Madhya Pradesh, which will be very likely to be stationary over the same area during next 24 hours, and gradually it will weaken thereafter. So the as we have seen, there will be the extremely heavy rainfall over some districts of the East Rajasthan and some parts of the West Rajasthan, and heavy to very heavy rainfall will continue over the East Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh during next 2 to 3 days. However, after that, the rainfall will decrease significantly over those areas, and there will be the isolated heavy rainfall over parts of Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, and Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh during next 3 to 4 days, and there will be the isolated heavy rainfall over parts of East India during next 2 to 3 days. After that, the rainfall will significantly decrease over parts of East India, Central India, and adjoining Northwest India after 3 days. However, the rainfall over the other part of the country, like the South Peninsular India and along the west coast, and some parts of the East India and some parts of the Central India, will be subdued. Still, light rain at one or two places will continue over those areas during next 24 hours, during next even 3 to 4 days. Since we are expecting the extremely heavy rainfall over some districts of the East Rajasthan, as we have seen like Alwar, Bharatpur, Jaipur, Tonk, Savai Madhopur, Bundi, Kota, Pratapgarh, Chittorgarh, Udaipur, and some districts of the northwest Madhya Pradesh, particularly over the Nimoj, Mandsaur, Ratlam, Ujjain, Jhabua, Alirajpur, Dhar, Bharwani, etc. So, because of the very heavy and extremely heavy rainfall, there can be the localized flooding of roads, waterlogging in the low-lying areas. There will be the occasional reduction in the visibility. There will be the disruption in the traffic, particularly in the major cities of these districts. There will be the minor to major damage to the vulnerable structure like Kacha Road, Kacha House, huts. There can be the localized landslide or mudslide, particularly if any hilly terrain is there. There will be some damage to the horticulture and standing crops, particularly over these districts, and there can be the riverine flooding in some river catchment areas. So because of that, uh, we are advising some suggestions like check for the traffic congestion on your road before leaving your destination, follow any traffic advisory which are issued in this regard. Avoid going to those areas which face the waterlogging problems often, and avoid staying in the vulnerable structure, particularly in those districts where the extremely heavy rainfall is expected, at least for the next 24 to 48 hours. You can download our Mosam app, Damini app, and Megdud app for the location specific forecast, for the lightning alert, and for the agro advisory services. You can also follow us on our Twitter page, our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel for more detailed weather information. Thank you.